How to get verified on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Head towards the profile page. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Now navigate to the option of settings and privacy. Head towards the option of account. In this page, you will be able to find the option of verification. Click on it. There are some requirements that should be fulfilled to get verified on TikTok. Your account must be public and have a completed profile with a username, bio, profile photo, and at least one post. You must be featured in multiple news sources. There's no set number of followers or likes you need to get a TikTok verification badge. TikTok itself has stated that it does not provide a verification badge based on the followers and likes an account. Instead, the accounts that are active, authentic, unique, and notable get verified easily. Likewise, you can also request for the verification process. For that, go to the main page of settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and head towards the option of report a problem. Scroll down, click on the option of chat with us. Now over here you'll find this message box. Type in over here TikTok verification and send it. With that, you're gonna get the reply from the TikTok support team. Over here you'll find this option, our online form. You have to click on it. Now from here you can request for the verification. Type in your email address, username. Then you can request TikTok support team to make your account verified. Also, you can upload the pictures of your account, and once you are done, you can submit it. With that, TikTok support team will consider your account. And if your account fulfills all the requirements to be verified, your account will be verified. So this is how you can easily make your TikTok account verified. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.